Hey everyone, on the Velar channel today, I'll show you how to get badges or emblems in Steam. So we go into the profile here and we can see our badges, right? And to get new badges, we can click this button and it'll show us what we need to do to earn those badges. For example, I have collectible cards here, right? And to create some kind of achievement, there's sometimes a button here that says play. Because if you play and cards drop for you, it even shows you the games where you can play and earn cards. Yeah, like that. And after that, once you collect all the cards, right? Well, say I'm missing some cards here. Yeah. You can click sell these cards on the marketplace, or on the other hand, buy them there. There you go. So you can save up, go to the market, browse, and buy the missing cards you need. And you can also search for Steam right here in the Steam browser. Steam badge, right? And here you can also find the items you need to earn badges. And that's it. This is Velar. See you later.